Hello fellow traders, I wanted to do a video on the Deuterium trade. We posted this trade in the last few days, but I wanted to break it down a little bit further as far as why it's such a powerful trade. And the reason is because the cycles that are setting inside of the cup, again, our primary focus is on high momentum stocks. And so you can see over here on this side of the cup, we had about a 5 BMI plus on it. And so when it pulls back in the cup, we got Cat 1, Cat 2, Cat 3. Now, technically, let me see, 1, 2, 3, we're at the generally the midpoint of a key cup cycle, the 3.5 month cycle. And so it's very possible that it's going to set a real cycle up here, the real final trend line on that cup cycle being a 5 to 7 months. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that might be over here. And so we may get a pullback inside of that. Right now, what I do like about it and why I think it's powerful is because you have this first low right here and the second low. So these are lower lows on the second cycle. But the third cycle, being the 3.5 month cycle, is a higher cycle right there. And so far you're getting a breakout off of it, price squeeze. Now, if you get up here in that third technically it's a third primary cycle up here, the 5 to 7 month cycle, and you get a soft landing pullback off of that, this thing can rocket. Again, we got huge momentum on the left hand side of this. And if you studied any of my cycle work, you realize that the inside of the cup, when you get the final lows on the cup, that forms a channel, and that channel will oftentimes be targeted at least mid, sometimes upper, and sometimes beyond that, sometimes 2x 3x of a channel. So upper channel right there would be about 17 bucks or so, and a 1x of the channel probably be up in that $25 range. Now right now we're at 10 bucks or so, a little bit less, and if it did target that, that could be a 150% gain easily. So what I do like about it, again, you got this third cycle right here. You're holding above the key psychological 750 price point, and you're starting to see a squeeze inside of that trend line. So basically you got wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and so it's trying to be a soft landing pullback off of that. So it could definitely break out of here soon, but the big picture on this is not just a random stock. It's pulled up based on momentum, and so even though it's a longer term downtrend, it's called a base Deuterium pattern, meaning it's coming off of the lows with overhead supply. Not as powerful as ones coming off the highs, but when you have that strong momentum coming off the lows, this thing can really take off coming off the channel set on the lows. So again, it could target the upper channel or 1, 2x, even 3x extension if it really gets going crazy. But so far looking pretty good. And what we really like to see is we like to see that third cycle, the third key momentum cycle, form very close to that left hand pivot. So like right up here to here, usually like 87 to 90% of the high pivot over here. So if we get that and a soft landing pullback, this thing can rocket. So we'll definitely be watching this, called a Deuterium pattern, and very powerful trade. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care. If you're interested in learning more about the Deuterium trade and some of our other Rogue Wave Trader trades, you can go to our website here, bigunitradingclub.club, and click on the micro courses down here, stocks, and that'll take you to the course on the Bellows effect and Deuterium trades. And you can also go through our website in general, find out more of the programs we offer. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.